23 Retro-Futuristic NASA posters that imagine the next golden age of space travel. This was the first poster designed for NASA's Visions of the Future series, and the Retro-Futuristic inspiration was clear from the very beginning. Some 40 light-years from Earth, a planet called TRAPPIST-1e offers heart-stopping views. Brilliant objects in a red sky loom like versions of our own moon. But these moons are actually Earth-sized planets, which are part of a system outside of our own. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has a thick atmosphere, an organic-rich chemistry, and a surface shaped by rivers and lakes of liquid ethane and methane. Jupiter's moon Europa is a fascinating destination. Beneath its icy surface, Europa is believed to conceal a global ocean of salty liquid water, twice the volume of Earth's oceans. The basis for this poster was a Jupiter cloudscape by artist Ron Miller. In talking with a lead scientist on NASA's Juno mission, he locked onto his description of Jupiter's brilliant auroras and created a truly beautiful print as a result. NASA's Voyager mission took advantage of a once every 175 years alignment of the outer planets for a grand tour of the solar system. Just imagine if ordinary people could take a guided tour of this incredible phenomenon. The big sign in this poster is inspired by the gateway in Reno that announces it as the biggest little city in the world. Ceres is the biggest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, which makes it a fitting comparison to Reno. The poster for Saturn's moon Enceladus is all about the plumes erupting from its south pole. Earth is the only place we know of with life, and lots of it. It's our one true oasis, and this poster captures it perfectly. In 1995, scientists discovered 51 Pegasi b, the first extrasolar planet confirmed to orbit a sun-like star, forever changing the way we see the universe and our place in it. Super-Earths, bigger Earth-like planets with more gravity, would be good destinations for thrill seekers. This poster explores how planets might look different on planets that orbit other stars, since the star's spectrum of light would be different than our Sun. This design comes from the tagline, "Where the nightlife never ends," which is perfect for a wandering planet that has no star. To evoke a sense of elegance, designers leaned heavily on 1930s Art Deco. But even though it's a retro-future fantasy, there's still some real science inspiring it. Planet Janssen, or 55 Cancri e, orbits a star called Copernicus that is only 41 light-years away. The molten surface is completely uninhabitable, but one could imagine riding safely above the inferno, taking in the views. The intent of the series was to show images that people might find pleasant, and the surface of Venus is anything but. This posed a challenge to the artists, who ultimately decided to create a Cloud 9 observatory above the planet. This poster imagines a future time when humans are on Mars, and their history reveres the robotic pioneers that came first. The rover's wheel is spelling out JPL on the ground in Morse code, just like the Curiosity rover does. SpaceX also joined in the retro-futuristic poster trend. Olympus Mons is a large shield volcano on the planet Mars, and this poster imagines what it might be like to see the solar system's highest peak up close. The two moons of Mars are Phobos and Deimos. They are named after the Greek mythological twin characters of Phobos and Deimos, who accompanied their father Ares into battle. Just imagine if we could take a space cruise to explore both of them. Valles Marineris is a system of canyons that runs along the Martian surface east of the Tharsis region. It is one of the largest canyons of the solar system, surpassed in length only by the rift valleys of Earth. NASA's Journey to Mars poster series depicts possible job openings on Mars in retro-futuristic prints. Anyone want to become a surveyor who gets to explore Mars and its moons on a regular basis? People with unique talents will always be in demand to work in outer space, regardless of where future missions take us. A take on Uncle Sam's famous poster. NASA wants you to join them on Mars.